Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Hammer Token in Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So what you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go on your device and log into your account. So once you go ahead and log in, to get the Hammer Token, there's actually an event on at the moment. So if you come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto your album, and what you want to do is basically complete all the Epic Myth album. So as you can see, I've got a few. I've completed the ones with the text, but there's still a couple I need to obtain. In total, there is 189 different stickers to complete. So at the time of recording, this event currently has 48 days remaining, and you can see at the top, once we've completed our albums, we're going to get some rewards, which will be 15,000 dice, 791 million in Monopoly money, and of course the Hammer Token. So what you're going to want to do is basically go around the board and complete different events, and obviously go ahead and upgrade your properties, and by doing this you'll be rewarded with different rewards like dice and of course stickers. So what you want to do is keep going around the board and basically completing the event. You can also do the quick wins as well, quick daily wins, which is down here in the bottom left hand corner. And sometimes when you clean this, you can get like stickers too. And of course, what you can also do when you've got duplicates of stickers in your albums, you can come into your album, come down to the safe in the bottom right hand corner, and you can exchange your duplicate stars for rewards. Of course, the more stars you obtain, the bigger and better the rewards. So for example, I've got 392 duplicates. I can open up a safe for 100 stars. So I can trade this, press exchange, and basically what's going to happen, it's going to open up the safe, give me some rewards. Normally you get the sticker pack in there as well, so you can open up the sticker pack and obtain new stickers. That way you can see I've got one here which is completely new. So just want to go through and complete your album. Eventually, when you fully completed the album, you've got all 189 stickers, you will get all the big rewards including the Hammer Token. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.